The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is good to report by World Sports Betting. It is good times. Oseo Dozeres, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Golden Arrows 0 in the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs are number 3 in the Betway Premiership. They move up the table. Aiden McCarthy with a goal, contentious, offside clearly, but it counts if the referee did not blow it as offside or his linesman. The consequence is that Golden Arrows have lost that game through that one goal. Chiefs, first half, slightly attacking, Golden Arrows defending. Second half, Chiefs defending, Golden Arrows attacking. Hit the post, almost score. But at the end, it's Chiefs 1, Golden Arrows 0. Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs winger, what did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir.
Ngibulise. Just ngibulise Benedict Sovilakazi.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise uChuckzin. Mtanela Snamba, ngibulise uBobzine, ngibulise uShane. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting no one tries to fix South African football. Yeah, man, well done to Kaizer Chiefs. Out is Shazandla. A brand new year. Compliment of the season for them.
Sure.
Yeah, they won the game today. But they're starting a goal, in fact. For me, now it's a clear offside for the Diabo. Intense offside, kulela goal. Lepo like deflection from him. No man abile goalkeeper, but it touch. Umakhatas althole le bola. Ulepo. So limthola mile. Lumfano Eden McCarthy. Goba goal. Well done to the point to score, but it's supposed to be offside.
What do you think of the linesman in that decision?
Young confused because maybe transition bamshiye ngespeed mhlawumbe lineman it's football players bamshiye ngespeed whereby babreakile, but now he was on the line, so set piece uyibone kahle straight on the line. So I question ukuthi why angayibonanga or confused ukuthi mhlawumbe ibhola lithashe someone. But the referee there, Pelu referee say enkulu kakhulu.
Yeah.
So referee on the pitch supposed to say it's offside. So going to the game, Mangoba came to this game respectively.
Before you go there quickly,
Yeah.
do you think Mangoba will think this is the reason why he lost the game? When he sees that offside, he will feel, Uti, I could have got this point being Ifunala.
No.
If it wasn't for this offside goal.
Probably maybe kumele athole draw. Yeah, mhlambe bekazothi bekumele ngithole draw. If Chiefs score, because Chiefs they deserve to score noma ngaba igoranga first half ngale offside.
Sure.
They deserve to score the way they were playing. But Arrows deserve to score second half.
For sure,
Le bola
100%.
likaNdlovu le receive shy target boy. Uphambi kwepali, compose, shy target make the goalkeeper safe ke. You're going to just score. Triple goalkeeper probably would score boy. So going to the game, Mangoba respect, to respect the Chiefs. Coming to the game, ngiyaqala ukubona Mangoba dlala low block mina. First half udlala low block kuleko, udlala ngama breaks. Khumalo, uNdlovu, both Khumalos, and then uNdlovu. They come and defend from their halves. Ngikhuluma ngase center. And then nearer to middle field yabo ne defender, goalkeeper always alert ngoba goalkeeper is more of a football player team yabo. Angithi udlala ngenyawo, they've got a comfortable but njenge Sundowns similar. Like second half how they play Sundowns, uyambona ukuthi uManqoba ugelezile. Ngiyazi ukuthi philosophy yakhe bengitshela ububo. Is been a while uManqoba khabozondo uManqoba ba allow i-team yabo kube nama ball players. Badlala like philosophy yabo is ball rotating, ba rotate ibhola. But he has learned a lot from Sundowns. Coming to this game udlala 3-5-2. Chiefs played 3-5-2. Umanqoba it's more of a 3-4-3 igame yanamhlanje. Chiefs bebazi ukuthi badlala ne ball playing team. Watching Golden Arrows the first round of the season. Basecurity ball very quick. They are technically very good. They also ukuthi yena balance umanqoba. It doesn't build up front uthola ukuthi akana finishing. Unama player that are so quick. Abondlovu boy2, abo Khumalo boy2, noNdlovu boy1. Very quick player. They've got Ucele technically on the left hand side. Angimangithi badlala nga 3 back. Ucele is left wing back is pushing up front more. So dangerous player because he can find lama space between they are behind this back 4 in or back 3. So it Chiefs what they did. They had so many ball position. Because the Chiefs they build up because bebanga bamako kwinyika Edin McCarthy bebanga bamaki these guys and they Monyane as well bega push up front bebanga bamaki Golden Arrows started to defend from like center. Now Chiefs mangale ball position into bebayenza beba wide breaking going wide. You understand ngoba umdube kezelana abajoinile ajoine ubuya benyathi which is uNdlovu abajoine na this guy uMabuye. So I think instruction from the coach but players need to take responsibility. Sometimes break inside if it's on. Take somebody on. Ngisho umuntu une-speed, une-technique, angazigorela umuntu. He can play 1-2. How many times first half uSilva touched the ball?
Yeah, they couldn't find him, unfortunately.
That's why ngithi bebanga break inside here. So ile nto engikutshela ngayo ukuthi there's so many ball position first half, but they were going wide. Always wanting Omodi because uhlelela inini. Mangene phakathi bafuna this guy on the left hand side. Lo bekapusha. I think they were playing ngayo.
McCarthy was pushing on the left.
Edin McCarthy was pushing, and then Monyane on this side. It is if they're two number ball playing top class players, ngikhuluma ngama ball player, which is number 8 and 10. Star players who are so responsible abakwazi ukuthatha igame esibayibeka ezandleni sabo. Yes, coach listening to instruction bebazoyina nga 7 goals first half le game le, because they had so dominate le game first half Kaizer Chiefs. I mean Arrows, they were waiting for Kaizer Chiefs. He never had intention uManqoba team yakhe yonke. They would look nervous ama play with Arrows. I'm not too sure how they were playing. I mean that's why kuwe bengikhuluma bengithi mina they were overcoached probably. Because the player ngabonile.
Yeah, it seemed like a tactic.
A tactics, yeah.
Namhlanje we're going to respect the opponent, every man behind the ball. If we get a counter, if we score from a counter.
Because ubreakile first half ngayo Ndlovu, a very dangerous player number 8 yalazi ibhola. Just he need to fix his technique, but ibhola yalazi. Got speed, he need to be composed, technique phela. Leyo nto leyo uyayilungisa, uyasala sekona training mayiphela or you come early. But mfana yalazi ibhola, runs off the ball. Lama player njengalawo awathola ukuseta free, ukurana off the ball. Maningi ama players start playing in South Africa, but to play off the ball akusi easy. And there's another uKhumalo lo mfana lo bamkhiphile, a dangerous player na engazi ukuthi udlala off the ball, udlala ngo left footed. But today game udlala ngama moment, not much. Both Khumalo's not much. Gugu attack yakhe labantu abayi3 beba isolated, bebangana number front if they break, bebana number against 4 at Chiefs, because Edin bekabuya zomakha umanyane nazomaka kuna 2 kunyika nalesi guy uMikel. So umabuya phinde asit 5 for ithi ngigayi umabuya credit mfethu. Yabona i-team ayingana structure mfethu. Ifana ne it's like I can't call it a team. It brought the stability, but there's a structure there. Ngikhuluma nge-midfield Chiefs. That's why ngithi bathole 8 and 10. Abathole special players 8 and 10 for this guy. And then bathole na both wingers. Ngoba Modi obviously in today game not much of Modi mfethu. I-Chiefs had both position if bebane winger hlakaniphile beyoskorela. Because bebazosphula nama window bazoskorela. Simple. But none other than that, I think they did very well. First half Kaizer Chiefs. Golden Arrows second half they played the way Golden Arrows I know. Ngikhuluma nge-first half of the season lengibonile. Circulate ball, you break 2 touch, 1 touch, tholakale afine Kaizer Chiefs. Take somebody on, create chances. Beka le ball le 3 touch. Ucele on the wing, uNdlovu alibuyisa. I mean balibuyisa like not Khumalo ulibuyisa Ndlovu. First touch, I think first touch was bad. Uvule kakhulu inyawo lapha. Njengoba zolisa wide. Shy target. But well done, good move. None other than that, how they play comfortability. Ngikhuluma second half. Like ukudlala ngegear, ukuchange gear. And among ngikhuluma nge-ball position, ngikhuluma nge-ball position, City stay uku-rotate ibhola endaweni one, they move forward.
Always moving. Yeah.
Yes, they move forward. And well done to that. And in fact, it's truly amazing, especially game second half. And ngicela compliment Kaizer Chiefs technical team for Genza Masap. Mfundo Vilakazi, I think, did positive things.
Yeah, I was about to go to him.
Positive,
because I think whatever we can say about him, Musakula, he's going to learn umsebenzi. Yeah. But what you could see with Mfundo is that when he came in, he wants the ball to come to him. He takes shots at goal. He's going to learn his job as time goes on.
Yabona mfethu mina ngicela ukukhuluma ngale ama game amanye ungabonile la wayenza ezinye izinto engazi ine talent ngasho ngathi is wrong coached. That's all. He's got iphethe talent, iphethe raw talent.
Yeah.
It's just to coach it wrong. But usesemncane ezusho, but time.
He's going to learn his job.
You need to learn.
Also, the other thing that's obvious about Yena is being so busy baller.
Yeah, and
being available for the ball.
One uphethe une advantage technique. He knows how to kick the ball. Ihlula abantu abaningi lonto le. Angithi angizwa ngikhuluma ngoNdlovu le Arrows. Kube lithola umfundo lapha ethi goal. Uyazi showcase goalkeeper kumele save for a goal. Lo mfana makangena mfethu. Namhlanje he hardly lose the ball. Ama coaches ayibheka lo nto ukuthi uluza ibhola kayingakhi. Noma ngabe we defensive midfield upasa save uluza ibhola kayingakhi. Lawyer he goes into this game. Uyenzile lento yakhe ukusukumisa ama fans ngezandla. Bengizibuza ukuthi wenzani ufuna uqala but a mindset positive ukuthi want a goal, second goal. Sure. Shot 2 if not mistaken, create chances. Beka le bhola lisquare la. Lela liqalibamba first time ugoalkeeper lidlula phambi kwebuso bepani. It just that team yakhe azange imjoin. Bebangazi ukuthi uzoyenza le yanto. Well done to the boy. I think keep it up from here. I-performance mfethu lamfana mangadlala so ngeke bamhype phela thina nkuleka kusinto ezozibheka ukuthi bakuhyper will look at you and say sikushayela izandla because we deserve
For sure.
this boy deserve
Maybe the
namhlanje.
question, because good Chiefs, we've watched the first round, obviously.
Yes.
The confusion was the position.
Yeah.
Sometimes was playing on the right hand side, cut in, shoot.
Yeah.
There was a game by then in Simba with Confederations Cup where he was on the left, across Agakulu, on the left.
Yeah.
Today also Simbonile through the middle, a shooter, good D-line. So that's left wing, right wing, number 10. So maybe the question, and if he gets the right mentor to coach him, good Chiefs, which is whoever's going to be the head coach at Chiefs, to find the right position for him.
Mfethu 10-8 asithi 10 if you play on the left ka right wing ungamisi on the right hand side because mele abe extra charge inyawo lika right alishaye kahle akusuka umuntu odlala ngenyawo ngeweaker foot yakhe ayisi strong enough like le nyawo lakhe like a strong foot yakhe when you playing him on the left play him wing ka left once but nakhona umenze ya wing ngala ongene phakathi because umuntu ofuna ibhola uLuis ngiyayithanda nalele ukuthi ufuna ibhola uLuis cela ucompliment nalo mfana Mabaso ngiyazi ithanda le ntwana seKasilama uTouch Mabaso bayibiza ngani
Touchline.
khona enyase kaSicolane Mabaso bedlala ku Chiefs ebenzima kakhulu
Sure.
unfortunately he star kakhulu nkuleke yalazi ibhola unfortunately but
Now, the question I have, because we'll get used to him, is he a striker or what is it?
no it's a midfield
Midfield, okay.
dlala ngo left
I saw
cela
him take a
ukumcompliment
shot at
mfethu
goal.
ya nkuleke what he hardly lose the ball and play forward passes mfana ngimbonile uphethe energy makaphethe energy goes forward ngimbonile makazothatha le shot uspindi le first idabi it's a first game for him the boy well done today we like usufuna ukuzibona into so I mean lo mfana bazobuza ukuthi ama player aqala igame if this boy come from first game yakhe and take a shot mshayela izandla so ama sub no coach nalo mfana uBatman ngimbonile ube nama touches ithi ngikhulume nje ngama sub ke coach ngashayela izandla but Kole Narrows came to the part second half I think they move as a team bapress Chiefs babangasa allow ukuthi kube ne build up midfield join just that now ngisayiphinda decision making kula state ibalete down Chiefs ibe nama moment now second half uyayibona there but if I could be honest igame kumele iphele njenge draw if draw mangitilela goal asilibali mhlambe le offside Chiefs yes they deserve ukuthi ikor noma ngabe igol abasilibali
Yeah, in the first half they deserve.
First half they
In the first
deserve.
half.
True.
In the second half, Golden Arrows deserve.
They deserve to score as well. So that's why it was going to be fair enough. So Rev ngale uthatha inkunzi uthatha risk inkunzi risk mfethu uRev. But
Well, if his linesman didn't raise the flag,
Yeah.
unfortunately, and for the players, mele baqhubeke ngomdlalo.
Yeah.
I need to ask you one more thing. We will keep on revisiting this. We spoke about it Friday. You get these points as the Chiefs, you get yourself to number 3. Surely you can have a discussion. Yabona ke lento yongabina coach or your main coach, because at this point, if they had a coach, transfer window is still open. He was gonna knock in the morning. Ati, we're 3 points away from the top, or 2 points now away from the top. Why are you not reinforcing for me? Why are you not buying players for me? Ukuthi sincenge le journey le. Maybe we can find ourselves back to Champions League by the end of the season.
that's why ngicanye uPitso Msimani noRolani Mkwena. Ukuthi nginikeni ama game ayi10 mangaluza 7 mangaluza out of 10 it showcase 6 ngizoyibina if I lose kule 6 mhlambe ngiluza 3 ngwina 3 ngicela ningambisi ngina problem but ngicela nginike budget
Yeah.
for those players
Yeah, because if they had a main coach,
angazi uyangibamba
100%.
yeah so
Because this position is a promising one. Yes, the Chiefs, I wasn't impressed with this
Yeah,
game.
yeah.
We were watching it
Yeah.
together. Not impressive as a game. The more you accumulate points to Sondela Lapaya, you need support as a coach. But these coaches, there are 2 of them. And I don't even think that they're looking at winning the league or Champions League.
yeah it's true they needed to reinforce it I mean Pirates reinforced but bring Butiyong they brought Abu
Msendami.
Msendani lo mfana lo buya le ku kuMarumo Galanza so center
Chabazane.
Chabazane Sundowns brought this guy was a Colombia they brought Saling as well so reinforced which is a big team they fall kulezo icathulo so yes omunye umuntu uzotayiko lento angithi until ni lose nibona because second round is more difficult it's sometimes psychology it's not all about playing psychology they kill you psychology like ingqondo bakushanga ingqondo that's all because there are teams that will play low block or need star players they are playing against Chiefs when they win ngoba right anything can happen ngiyabona manje I think different between them and Santos 2 points
Yeah. Omunye na 29, omunye na 28, the Chiefs na 27.
that's what I'm saying
So a big coach, a coach with a pedigree would
Yeah.
have said, my daughter, sisondele kula majita.
yeah
Can you help me?
Simple, in fact, you break account because I'm a player, I'm a quality, I'm a player, I'm a contract. And to good teams, not contract
You have to buy them.
buy them. Not, yes, I call them a free agent, but we lucky. Quality players, I'm a player, I'm a contract. You buy those players, you break account. There's nothing wrong. And then, mhlambe boma 8, no problem. Even 6, no problem. Even the goalkeeping department. Because this guy, I'm testing a match today. The goalkeeping department in Sasho Kaizer Chiefs is a big problem. Center back, uMiguel nimtholele omunye umuntu. Ngoba nabo, uMiguel is suspect kakhulu mfethu. Mina ngisasho nama namhlanje not much ukuthi bamtestile. Le mfana Eden udlale kahle on the ball look pretty umfana ngemboneni. Safuna ukumbona mabamtesta but ngiyayicompliment iChiefs how they play first half. But ukuphendula another coach was going to bring about 8 players. Honestly, okay, Noma, Kaizer Chiefs, I'm calling Sundowns or Pirates. Chiefs, they needed that 8 or 6. You need get Kaizer Chiefs, big I need.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. Kaizer Chiefs have climbed up to 3rd position. Yeah, uthixo akaphinga sandla. There's a saying in my language, but uthixo akaphinga sandla. When God is trying to help you, He doesn't tell you that I'm trying to help you. Ubone circumstances, but yeah, ngathi ndiyancedwa apha. So when you find yourself not playing so well, unimpressive, so many draws, even today it was supposed to be a draw, really, if we are being honest. But then somehow, when you open your eyes, you are at number 3. I know Pirates have those games in hand, but you effectively, objectively, are at number 3. Then, as football people, experienced football people, you then have a meeting with your group and say, you know what, this is an interesting opportunity. Can we go for it? Can we strengthen? But it doesn't seem as though there's that intention at Naturena. We'll see. It is Itiski Times, we're also sweating.
All our Fetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villaraz, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.